Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam, and in this 96th video on our PTC Creo Parametric course, where we are covering everything from basic to advanced topic. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out our complete playlist that I have added in the description of this video. Okay, so now let's talk about today's topic. We are going to continue exploring the style tool, and in this session we're going to focus on this move curve tool that is inside Creo Style tool. And let me actually cancel it so that I can show you. So here you can see we are already in PTC Creo Parametric part modeling environment, and let me actually go inside this style tool, and now let's go to this curve group, and here we can see this move tool, which is used to move, rotate or scale the selected curve. Now let's click on it and let's select the curve that we would like to move. For example, this one, let's select this. And now here you can see there is this 3D dagger. So with the help of home, you can simply move the way you want. So we just move our curve on Z direction by 44.91. Let's say I also would like to move in X, which again, this time I have chosen the green arrow to move it. So in this way, we can easily move our curve. Okay, and then this tool is not only to move it, but we can also perform other things. And as you know, not only we can move it, but we can also scale it. Now let's say you do not want to move your geometry like this, then here you will see different method of drag. So by default it is free, then you will see horizontal or vertical only. Then we do have got this in view or normal one as well. Now you will see we are only able to drag it in one direction, which is normal one. So in this way we can also apply constraint based on our requirement. Now we also have an option to either drag geometry, or let's say you would like to reposition your dragger. Then in that case, instead of transforming geometry, we can transform dragger as well. So now we just selected dragger, and now you can see instead of curve we are moving this dragger. So in this way you can customize it. If you want to go really very precise, then you can also provide these values, which is in terms of X, Y and Z. So simply provide these value X, Y and Z, and let me actually select geometry this time, and this will help you to go with the precise movement. Okay, and this selected curve, since we already have provided the start and end point, it is not possible to scale this model, but we can do this. So let me actually close this, and let's create a free curve. Or maybe what I can do is, since these curves were plotted in style 1, so I'm gonna go out and then let's go in style 1, and now I'm gonna click on move, and let's select this particular curve. And now here you will see I am able to scale this curve as well. So all you need to do is you need to hold it in the end, and then here you can see not only we can able to move the curve, but we can also scale it. And this is one way of doing scale, which is scaling it from corner. Let's say you want to scale it from center, then in that case you can go here and scale and select the center. So now if you scale it, you will see that the curve will grow proportionally from the center. So this is, I would say, another way of scaling your curve. And now if we go here, you can see that you can grow this curve a very precise way as well. So I can simply provide value. Let's say I would like to grow it 5 times, and then here you can see the curve grew 5 times. In the same way, we can rotate it as well by providing here the angle. Let's say I want to rotate it by 60 degrees. So we just rotated, we just did that. And yeah, there is one more thing that I forgot to mention. Let's say you do not want to scale proportionally, then you can unlock this lock. And in this way, you can scale the geometry based on direction. So now I made it like, in X direction, I scaled it for 3 times, and in Y direction, it is 1 times. So you can do all different kind of thing using this move tool. So to conclude, we just saw how we can move a curve in X, Y, Z direction. Not only curve, but we can also move dragger. Then we also saw how we can scale our geometry or our curve from opposite direction and from center. We also saw how we can scale it up and how we make a parametric or very precise change by going in option and changing these values based on our requirement. Move curve is really helpful in realigning curve for better surface continuity. essential for refining Class A surfaces in automotive and product design, and also useful for correcting geometry without recreating curve from scratch. So that's all guys from my side in this video, and if you want to elevate your engineering skills, make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam. This channel covers a variety of topics from core engineering and CAD to project management and beyond. If you have got any questions or topic suggestion, please feel free to drop them in comment down below. And I will see you soon in next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.